Welcome to this.Code. This site is my second Angular app, but this site is a full front to back app, full stack app. We used Angular for the front end, Node for the back end with a SQL database. The concept behind this was, as I was going through coding school, I wanted some site to go and challenge myself on some JavaScript toy problems. And I was going on a trip and I didn't have access to something that worked well on mobile. So you'll notice that this is a responsive design. Let's go ahead and get started. If you go to challenges without being logged in, it's going to bring up a login for you. Then it's going to go to your challenges page. Now I have some filters here to filter to the skill level of these different challenges. You'll also notice that the challenges are different colors. If they're green, that means they're completed. If they're a light green, that means you're currently working on it or you've started it. And then if it's just this grayish color, it means that you have not attempted it yet. You'll notice that when you logged in, your username is going to come and fill in. It's going to have your score and how many days of code that you've been coding. I haven't accessed this site in a few, so it's going to reset it to be 1. You'll have an image URL up here. You have a leaderboard that you can access to see how you're compared to other users on the site. And then if you wanted to, you could go to your Twitter site from here. So let's go back to challenges. This is the fun part. So if you open up a challenge, it's going to give you what you're trying to do. In this case, you're writing a function called hello world, which is going to return hello world. Let's say you didn't understand. If you click on hint, it's going to come up and give you a hint. Think of a way to return a string in a function. So that gives me an idea. So I'm going to write my function hello world. I'm going to take in a value. And I'm going to return hello world. I'm going to close my function. Now you'll notice this is going to be incorrect. So when I hit run, it's going to come up and say, uh-oh, syntax error, you have an unexpected identifier. Try again. So I'm going to go back and go, oh yeah, I can't do that. I need to put it in quotations. Well, let's say we did that and we took away our exclamation point. I hit run and it says, uh-oh, I was expecting hello world with an exclamation point and I received hello world without one. You failed your test. Let's try again. Say, okay, silly me, needs to be here. I hit run. And then finally it says, congratulations, you passed all your tests. Let's go to the next challenge. And so it'll immediately take you to the next challenge. As far as coding goes, testing the code was a really exciting part to do. Just in my testing the code function, I was able to turn the string that they were putting up here into their code. I was using eval to turn it into a function. I had to do a function within a function to make it work. It was really cool. And then depending on the test, it would throw up different modals depending on your failures and your successes. So that writing this code editor on my own was a real challenge and kind of exciting to do. All right, that is my introduction to this.Code, my JavaScript coding challenge. I hope you enjoyed it.